Increase affiliate marketing rewards with these tips. If you are not familiar with all the ins and outs of affiliate marketing, it will be extremely helpful for you if you did some research. While this can be a very lucrative opportunity, there are some chances of losing more than you gain. Being aware of the entire process can only be a good thing for you. Pick affiliate programs that are related to the general topic of your website. Readers visit your website because they like the content. They may have needs related to the subject of the site, or something, hopefully subtle, in your writing made them think of a product that they need. By choosing the right ads, and not having every possible ad on your site, you will build their trust and make a lot of money. Look for websites with good sales. If their rate of buyers is less than 1%, you may want to reconsider working with them. You get paid if people buy, and if people aren't buying from the website, it will not matter how many customers you send them. This ratio is an important one to consider when searching for affiliates. To keep your affiliate marketing business generating the most money for you, you should keep verifying which ads are pulling for you and which do not. There are a number of tracking programs available to let you check the statistics of each ad individually and make comparisons between which ones work the best. If you want to make more money with your affiliate marketing program, you should use a plugin that rotates your ads rather than having them always show up in the same place. Each time a reader comes to your page, the plugin will show them a different ad and something new will catch their interest. As the beginning of the video stated, it is important that you do your research on affiliate marketing. Make sure that you fully understand every aspect of it before you attempt to make any investments into anything. If you have any doubts about anything, then it is best that you not participate. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.